Let's see how to soften the edges of an image in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to soften the image, let's first insert an image into this document. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. From here, choose any random image. Now, as you can see, we have uploaded a stock image into our document. Now to soften this picture, you can simply right-click on it, click on Format Picture, and click on Soft Edges right here on the pop-out window on the right. And here you can see that Microsoft Word has presets for soft edges, such as, and you'll see that it gets softer and softer with each preset. And that is how you basically can soften the edges of an image in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.